In this video, I am going to show you 15 plus amazing tips, tricks and features of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Watch this video till the end and let's begin. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. The first trick is about always on display. This is the default always on display that we get on 14 Pro Max. You can customize it by going into settings, display and brightness, always on display. If you want to turn it off, just simply turn it off and this will stop draining the battery on 14 Pro Max. And if you want to just disable the wallpaper, just turn this off and you get a beautiful looking always on display on your 14 Pro Max. So this is the always on display that I prefer. Now the next trick is about the dictation. Open any app that uses the keyboard on your iPhone. I have opened the notes. Now at the bottom, when you open the keyboard, at the bottom you will see a mic icon. Just tap on this and this will start typing whatever you speak. So this is the best dictation app that I have ever used on any smartphone. The best part of this app is punctuations. You can add punctuations to this app. For example, what is the date today? What is the time right now? What is the capital of United States? You can even add emojis. Smiling emoji, crying emoji, heart emoji, laughing emoji, etc. So this was about the dictation. To enable the dictation app, just go to settings, go to general, go to keyboard. Make sure that enable dictation and auto punctuations are turned on. Now the next trick is about wallpaper customization. Go to your lock screen, unlock your phone, long press the lock screen, tap on customize, lock screen, add widget. You can I prefer to add battery widget all the time because I want to know the battery percentage of my iPhone. You can add any two widgets of your choice. Now once you do so, tap on the clock icon. Set the font as per your requirement. You can even change the color. Now tap on done. So this is how you can customize the lock screen. You can even change the color. Just swipe left and right. You can change the color as per your liking. Now tap on done. Now the next trick is about tap to change wallpaper. Again, go to your lock screen, tap on plus icon. At the top you will see an option of photo shuffle. Just tap on this. Select shuffle frequency to on tap. Now you can use the photos of your choice by selecting the photos manually. Once you do so, just select use featured images. Now tap on add. Now tap on set as wallpaper pair. Now whenever you tap on the screen, the wallpaper changes. This is simply amazing. Now the next feature is about picture in picture mode. Go to settings, go to general, picture in picture. Make sure that this setting is enabled. Now open any video streaming platform, whether it is an app or browser. Play any video of your choice. Play the video of your choice, set it to full screen. Now go to home screen. Now this will activate the picture in picture mode on your iPhone. This picture in picture mode also works with YouTube, but the thing is that you need to have a paid subscription of YouTube. So this is how you use picture in picture mode on your iPhone. The next feature is about the camera setting. This phone comes with a 48 megapixel primary camera, but by default this is turned off. To turn this on, go to settings, go to camera, select formats, make sure that Apple Pro RAW is enabled. Now tap on Pro RAW resolution, set it to 48 megapixel. Now once you do so, open the camera on your phone. At the top here you will see an option of RAW mode. Just turn this on and start shooting images in the RAW mode because the images that are shot in RAW mode are super crisp and clear. Another tip is about the video settings. Go to video settings, tap on this icon. This will activate the action mode on your phone. You can shoot it in HD mode or 2.8K with a frame rate of 30 fps or 60 fps. But you can't shoot the action mode videos in 4K. but that's okay. Now the next trick is about editing the images. Now let's shoot an image. Now open the image. Now select the object in the image. Now tap on share. Tap on save image. Now once you do so, a PNG format of the image will be saved. So a background is removed from the image without using any third-party app. So this is simply superb. Now the next trick is about blocking the adult websites. Go to settings on your phone. Go to screen time. Go to content and privacy restrictions. Now enable content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on content restrictions. Tap on web content. Set it to limit adult websites. So this will block all the adult websites on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now the next trick is about the lockdown mode. Go to settings. Go to security and privacy. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see an option of lockdown mode. So this is the latest feature that comes with iOS 16. Once you turn on the lockdown mode, you won't be able to access messages, FaceTime, browsing, and many other features. So this feature is very useful in case of emergency situations. Now the next trick is about battery percentage. By default, the battery percentage is turned off. Go to settings, go to battery, turn on the battery percentage. So this is how you can turn on the battery percentage on your iPhone. Now the next trick is again about the keyboard. Go to settings, go to general, go to keyboard. By default, auto capitalization and auto correction are turned on. Just turn them off because they are quite annoying. Now the next trick is about the dynamic island. iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with dynamic island. So open the app that supports the dynamic island. For example, this. So you can see a dynamic island at the top. If you just long press it, you can see a platter of dynamic island. If you want to pause it, you can simply pause it. If you want to resume it, just tap on play and you're done. So if you want to hide the dynamic island, just swipe right and this will hide the dynamic island. And if you want to get it back, just swipe left and this will unhide the dynamic island. Now the next trick is about the spotlight. So at the bottom you will see a search icon. Just tap on this. This will activate the spotlight on your iPhone. If you want to disable the search bar from the bottom, just go to settings, home screen, disable this option. So this will deactivate the search bar from the home screen. The next trick is about using Android-like features on your iPhone. So you can get the settings, you can get the mobile app, messages app, you can get the complete UI-like features on your 14 Pro Max. To do so, all you have to do is visit a website named trygalaxy.com. Visit this website, tap on the share icon, set it to add to home screen. Once you do so, a bookmark will be added to the home screen and whenever you open it, you will get the Android-like features on your 14 Pro Max. Next feature is about the reachability. So iPhone 14 Pro Max is quite big in size. It's quite difficult to use it with one hand. So while using it with one hand, you won't be able to access the top icons. So you can make use of the reachability feature. So at the bottom, you have a dock. Just swipe down from there. You will see all the icons have come down. So you can make use of the reachability feature to use the icons which are located at the top. So this was about the reachability. So these were 15 plus amazing tips, tricks and features of 14 Pro Max. If you're still watching the video, then I thank you for watching the video till the end. So this is Simran here signing off until we meet again.